Hi guys, I have something very exciting over here to share with you guys. I've been wanting one of these for a very long time. I just couldn't find something that I really liked. So this is so exciting and I cannot wait to share this with you guys. Wow, check this out. So this is a dual camera dash cam for the bike. One facing forward, one facing the rear. And it is 4K in the front and 1080 in the rear. And there's so much to talk about. There's so much to show you guys. I'm so excited. Just wanted to capture this video real quick to let you know what's coming up. I'm going to do a full installation video of this, a full review, and guess what? We're also going to be doing a giveaway just for you guys. Let's do a quick unboxing video so you guys can see what it looks like on the inside. Alright, so they have a little bit of a diagram over here of how it's going to fit on the bike. Would you look at that presentation? Would you guys look at this quality? Amazing. I have a story to share with you guys, and I'll share it at a later time about why this is so important, okay? And you'll understand once I share that story with you. So these are all the cables. Wow, okay, so these are the cameras right here. Wow, would you guys take a look at this? Look how small it is. Okay, the quality is awesome in the hand. This is the 1080, so this goes to the rear. And this is the 4K. Oh, perfect, check this out. This is the actual unit. This is the brains, basically. This is what's gonna go under the seat. And this has Wi-Fi built in. And I guess this is where the micro SD card goes. Okay, and this, you guys are gonna love this, look. This is a mount for the handlebar. I can't wait to get this on the bike, you guys. I cannot wait. And this is the wiring harness actually that goes to the battery. And then we'll have a lot of fun installing this together, as usual. All right, fantastic. Let me know what you guys think, and please don't forget, give me a thumbs up and a comment. And for the subscribers in the States only, there's going to be a giveaway, so make sure you guys subscribe.